Have you ever wondered what happens to cancer patients who find themselves unable to cope with pain? Yet, traditionally, cancer has served as a model for acute and chronic pain in man. In Uasin Gishu County, cancer patients have the option of seeking refuge at the Kimbilio Hospice. Tucked in the serene village of Kipkaren, some 70 kilometers from Eldoret town, is Kimbilio Hospice. Among those who seek palliative care here are cancer patients who often come when the disease is at an advanced stage, and that means the pain by then is unbearable.
Cancer pain is the worst type of pain, and it is the one which really causes a lot of suffering.
Meet Rael Buigut. Here, they call her Gogo or grandmother. It's about 3 months since she came here. Her time more often is spent chatting with her visitors, moments she cherishes. She has been undergoing treatment for tuberculosis, and even after she was diagnosed with cancer of the spine this year, the information was kept away from her. Nobody knows her exact age, but the granddaughter says she could be around 70 years today and has been in pain for as long as they can remember.
So tukaambiwa tumpeleke nyumbani ili tumsaidie tu yani. So tukawa tume lose hope, tukajua sasa it's like we are coming to the end.
But it wasn't the end. Amidst frantic efforts to ease their matriarch's agonizing pain, they had news of a place they could run to, Kimbilio Hospice, one of 3 such facilities in the country that offer inpatient services to their clients.
Alikuwa akisumbuka kabisa. But after kukuja hapa karibu 3 days, kwa sababu mimi nilikuja on the 3rd day, mimi nikampata ako mtulivu, tukaanza kuongea tu kama zamani.
17-year-old Patrick Walicho knows the hard way what it means to have intense pain and to be in hospital and still not find relief.
Hapa pako tafadhali kuliko Eldoret. Huko hakuna dawa ya kupoesha uchungu.
Born with albinism and battling cancer that is quickly spreading, he wants to live, but the cancer wants his life too.
Hata sina la kusema. Tangu mimi nilikuwa nataka nikuwe daktari, lakini ugonjwa ile imenishika hivi sasa, hakuna vile naweza jiweza.
As cancer sufferers in most rural areas go through the phases of the disease, they have to grapple with the reality of being unable to access morphine, an essential drug in pain management. Although Kimbilio offers it to its patients, thousands of others cannot access it, hence have to endure crippling pain.
It's not access, it is the knowledge, how to use it. It's that we need to go back and educate the healthcare worker about how to use this medication. So it's not... the medicines are there, and again, you will come to Nairobi Hospital, you will die in pain. It's not that you can't afford it. Again, it's the same doctors treating you who were never taught in school how to use the very strong analgesics.
About 80% of reported cases of cancer are diagnosed when they already are at an advanced stage. Subsequently, palliative care also begins when it is too late. Such was the case for the smiling woman on the wall. Looking down ever so happily, she had sought care at Kimbilio Hospice. She lost her battle with cancer just last week.
We were managing pain, and also she had several wounds because of lying in the bed, so precious.
She lost the battle 3 weeks before the Kimbilio Marathon, aimed at creating awareness and raising funds for the treatment of people living with life-threatening illnesses in Western Kenya. She had one wish, that her children in Lodwar be taken care of by somebody, anybody. So, when the participants hit the track on the 13th of this month, one person who would have loved to see this day is Kimbilio's smiling woman on the wall, who passed away peacefully on this balcony.
Yeah, every caregiver we are really grieving.
Soon, her portrait will be on this wall. Each one of them here tells a personal story of those who were lucky to find a place that did its best to make the last days of their life a little bearable. It's one way of remembering the cord that ties them together here at Kimbilio, when nationally they join the long list of about 22,000 patients succumbing to cancer every year. And Mawathe, Citizen TV, Eldoret.